Hello, art friends. We're going to be drawing the soccer legend Messi. So I'm doing a little sketching here just to make sure I know where stuff is going to go. And I have enough room for everything. Okay, so you guys keep drawing it in your pencil, and then, yeah, all right. So we're gonna start with the forehead, and we're gonna draw a line like this, just a nice little curvy line. And then we're gonna draw a line across. And again, this isn't straight, it's got a little curve to it. Then we're gonna draw a line down. Then we're gonna draw back. Then we're gonna put an ear on there, like so. And we're gonna put some ear parts. There we go. And then we're gonna come back on this side, and we're gonna do a curved line here. And then we're gonna do some zigzags. Zigzag, zigzag, and then come back down like that. And there's his hair. Excellent. Then we're gonna come here, do his cheek, because he's smiling. Who wouldn't smile when they're so excellent at soccer? And then here is his ear on the other side. But you don't see it all because of his big cheeks. Then you can see I've drawn kind of a line right here for his eyes. So I'm gonna come in here and just do a curvy line here with a circle under it and another circle inside, and I'm gonna fill that in, leaving a little light. And then I'm gonna do a little eyebrow, a little line under it, like so. Then that's gonna lead me down into a nose. And then I'm gonna have kind of a triangle shape here, like that, with another little line in there. Then I'm gonna come across, and I'm gonna draw a line coming kind of down, back across. I'm gonna put the eye in here, and then there's the black part of the eye. And I think I want these to be similar, so I'm gonna make this bigger. We don't want him to look like he's having some medical issues. And then here's his eyebrow. And then we're gonna do a line coming down like so. That's a weird one. And we're gonna do a little eye kind of thing and a little forehead little thing. And now we're gonna do the mouth. So for the mouth, and I know I haven't even drawn this, but he's got a lot of beard to him. So for the mouth, I'm gonna draw it coming across like that, and then coming down like that. And then I'm gonna draw it across, and then this is gonna be inside his mouth because he's yelling because he's having so much fun. And then we're gonna come in here with our zigzaggies, and we're gonna beard it out. And we're just gonna come right up there like so. And then he's got more beard here, and more beard here. And his beard is not black, so I don't want to draw it in. I want to just leave it like this so I can color it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do his neck. He's got a tiny neck because this is a caricature. And I'm gonna do a curved line here for his shirt. And then I'm gonna do a line coming down, and a line coming down. out and out. And then out here, I'm gonna do his thumb. I know this looks funny. And then I'm gonna do his palm. And then here's a finger, comes up and down and around like that. And then I'm gonna do the next finger like that. You don't see all his fingers, and that's okay. Then over here, gonna come down, up, around, like so, and then down, around, up. Let's make those line up. And we got another finger kind of hanging out back here. And there's his hands. Okay, then we're gonna draw some lines coming down and across. Put a little emblem on there. We're gonna put his stripes on him for his uniform. There we go. And then we have his little shorts. There you go. His little legs. And then here's his shoes. And here's his other shoe. It's way back here. And then here's his ball. And we'll put some little octagon-ish suggestions on it. We're not going to get all stressed out over that. And then here is the ground, and there is Messi. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thank you for watching.